character. That's his waifu.
Yeah, Cody's playing without a hat, so that's how you know things are silly and serious today. So let's go ahead and get right into it, man.
All right, so we had Ness already with that grab. It's going down. We have all-stars on the battlefield.
Yeah, we do.
Smashville, on the Smashville field. As far as percentage goes, everybody's still fairly even, exchanging blows.
Absolutely, man. The green team right now putting the hands on each other. You know, Nev started off with the grab that hit his teammate, and then Cody ended up grabbing his teammate back. You know, so they gotta watch out for stuff like that, man. Please don't hurt your teammates. You know.
Oh yeah, nobody's running away with this here right now, as far as I can tell.
Absolutely, man. I think there's a lot of jitters going on. I think this match, in doubles is gonna mean quite a bit. I believe friendly bragging rights, but just like that, man. Never's taken out by that forward smash, so gotta watch out for that, Nev.
Just a little careful there. So the good thing about both Pikachu, well, the bad thing for
oh my
team
goodness,
here,
absolutely.
both Pikachu and Diddy are lighter characters, so Ness's back throw is gonna kill sooner. And I feel like that's what he's going to try and go for if Villager doesn't connect with the throw and do a back throw as well.
Yes, absolutely, man. Nev has definitely got to be careful right now. He's at 46%, and right now he's an easy target again in certain situations. So.
Oh. And he got grabbed himself after going for that grab.
He did grab. Very, very unfortunate. Did get grabbed, man.
Oh yeah, this is not looking pretty for Ness at all.
No, it's not. You got to get out that area. You got to get out fast. Though on the bright side, though, Pikachu has to watch his approaches when he's fighting Ness, obviously because Ness is going to absorb those Thunder Gels. So don't even try that, bro.
Oh yeah. The only downside I would say the green team having these two specific characters, Village doesn't have anything that could heal Ness if they have some free space between the two of them.
Right, but they can pocket the PK Thunder.
They can.
Oh my goodness, and then
that was dirty.
That is
so stocks are just getting lost left and right.
Absolutely.
Green team. Still behind by a stock.
Just behind by one stock, though. And I don't know if Nev was quite ready for the match when it started.
The assault, it kind of just came out.
And JJ hit him with the tilt, and then did the pivot monkey flip on him. I was like, whoa, I had never seen that before in person. So just got to watch out.
Oh yeah,
just got to watch out. Okay, so it's Nair City. It's Nair City. JJ's like, nah, bro. Nah, we living, bro. We live in 5. It's happening here.
Some very good edge guarding there.
Absolutely, man. Some very, very prominent team play from these two teammates. You can definitely tell that they've been practicing for the Villager and Ness matchup.
I feel like they might have, had a leak somewhere and be like, hey, maybe number 1 and number 2 are going to team up for World Tier 6. Let's go ahead and get this Ness and Villager practice now.
We figure like Cindy Blue and MJG, they were like, we're teaming up, so you gotta get those powerhouse teams going on, man, or else you're gonna lose some money. And now we got the share stock situation.
We got the share stock.
We got the share stock.
So we're down to 2 stocks on green, 4 stocks on red.
Yes.
If it does come down to green team winning, will be nothing short of a miracle here. They're gonna have to play very smart, get their synergy on point, read off of each other's attacks. If somebody throws somebody, just immediately follow up if you can.
Yes, absolutely. And so we had Cody right there. He took Diddy Kong's banana and then used it on him. Tried to get the back throw, but sadly it didn't. It didn't quite connect. It didn't quite connect, sadly.
Ooh, okay.
Oh my goodness, just the clock to the up smash.
With the share stock and losing it sooner than Ness. He took it from Ness and lost it first.
Yeah, that stinks.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, that sucks.
So yeah, I mean.
Okay, goes for the up tilt, but sadly
he's gonna go for some back throws, but
absolutely.
it's not enough at this point.
Right, they're baiting. They're baiting air dodges.
And
oh my goodness.
finish them off.
Yep. Team play right there was phenomenal.
Very phenomenal.
Very phenomenal. Very phenomenal, man. To
took the words right out of my mouth.
Yeah, that was insane right there. I didn't expect that. That was probably one of the most intense doubles matches I've seen here in Nebraska. But if there's anybody who can fare against JJ and the gang, it's Cody and Nev. So you know what they came to do.
Full frontal assault on both teams there.
Absolutely.
So we got Nev switching over to Mario. He's definitely proven that he knows what it is to be Mario.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. And we headed to Final Destination is what we're doing? We're doing FD? Okay. We're going right into FD.
So I guess they don't mind all the flashing lights and everything that might distract them there. You might have that lawyer just kind of.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we had a DI King that last match, not really losing a lot of stocks. Definitely showing why he is in fact the DI King.
DI King. Oh,
right.
Yes.
Just DI, no. No E on the end. Do not put the E on the end. Not die, DI. Okay, so definitely spot dodge is the grab there. It's a prominent defense, right? Oh, my goodness. And then right when Pikachu's about to get punished, JJ's like, nah, bro, monkey flip.
I got you.
Chill, bro, chill.
I got you, bro. So they're switching off now. You know, Pikachu and Mario are fighting now. Diddy and Mario are fighting, and I think they're more on the whole term of, hey, let's jump this dude real quick here. Nev, once again losing his first stock to Pikachu's forward smash. I believe it was the same thing last time.
Absolutely, man. I really like the team play. Excuse me, from JJ and DI King. Pikachu was going to do that forward throw there, and then Diddy Kong was there to catch him with the up air. So.
And if you saw that, he saved him once again. So Nev with the pummels.
Yes.
Diddy came in with the forward air and interrupted the actual animation from getting tossed. You know, again, they got each other's backs. They're bros.
Absolutely.
So we got 4 stocks, 5 stocks and 5 stocks actually. Surprisingly, you know, nobody's lost as far as the deficit goes.
Absolutely, man. I think they're just trying to stock tank this thing out right now. Nev right now is in a very sticky situation because obviously, you know, Pikachu is a powerhouse. He's small, but he's a powerhouse, man. You know, he has very, very good frames as well too. So I mean, some of his frames even challenge Sheik. So.
All right, so we got some spacing going on here. I think they might start going for these 2v1s against Mario. Yes. Oh, Villager getting taken out by an up smash. And now they're just kind of making sure that Mario doesn't get back on the stage.
Yeah, and there it is, just right there, man. Right, get up off. But you know what, though? He got up off the ledge with a very, very safe option, though. He didn't roll. He just, you know, stood right up. But you know what? Pikachu was there to capitalize. So.
And if he had any other options to get up, Diddy was right behind. You know?
Absolutely, man. Absolutely, man. These are some of the matches I've been waiting all day for. I've been waiting for doubles to start. I wanted to see all these guys on the screen at the same time, using the big, wonderful TV that my man, that one Blackhead, is offering for us here today at World Tier 6. So.
Oh, yeah. You know what? Better way to play Smash Brothers than on a 50-inch or 60-inch HD TV, right?
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Nice B reverse from Villager there.
Oh, very good string of attacks there with the B, the Lloyd Rockets, and then the grab, and then the up air.
Absolutely. Up air city right now is where Mario's trying to take Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong not really trying to have any of that though. Nev with the good approaches right now, doing a lot of shield approaches. He said, nah, bruh. He said, nah, bro. The up smash is starting to stale out. Ooh, but then the down special from Pikachu still not quite enough, man. The team combos are definitely there, man, to say the absolute least. Now, you know, I talked to Nev on the way here, and he told me that he was going to get you know, they might do like Mario and Luigi, but oh my goodness, the spot dodge and up smash.
Up smashes for days from everybody.
Days from everybody. Like, and now Cody is stuck in the 2v1 situation right now. He has to take 3 stocks, and he has basically 1.5 stocks right now because he got almost 150 damage. But he's about to max on a raise, so I hope he can use that to his advantage here.
And this is definitely not, you know, any sort of decision making for a share stock.
Absolutely no. He was like, nah, bro, I'm taking those.
I've seen Cody come from some very, that would have been very bad if Pikachu had more damage.
I would have did it. Oh my goodness.
Cody has
the roll in and out, the roll in and out.
From worse deficits. Yes. I've personally been on Cody's team.
Yes.
Didn't play my best. He wound up winning a couple 2v1s with, you know, a very, very huge stock deficit.
Absolutely,
could be possible even with this team. You know, nothing's impossible.
Absolutely not. Nothing is ever impossible. Nothing's ever impossible. I mean,
he'll have them playing his game here soon. They're just hanging out on the side of the stage. He's gonna hang out on the side of the stage. The only way that they're gonna get him is if they go off and either attempt to gimp him or stage spike him or anything. You know, they're hitting each other now.
And they know Cody's game. They know Cody's game. So this is what he thrives for, especially with a character like Villager who can play keep away very, very well. I think that Villager is probably the king of keep away. King or queen, I mean, depending on what iteration of Villager you use.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gets the jab, gets
the
up grab.
Ooh,
oh, my goodness.
They were going
goodness.
for the style.
Now, if that happens on stream, I'm going to have to leave commentary. I don't know if I'm going to do this again. I don't know. I don't got any more or stuff like this. Start happening.
I kind of want to see them try that again, honestly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Come on. Popped one balloon there, not enough.
You got to pop the other one. I mean, he's already there, too. Even after you pop the balloons, he still, like, floats up a little bit. So, can you really ever pop the balloons in an efficient manner? Oh, and and caught him with the back air. Caught him with the back air.
With